Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're gonna install Proxmox into our desktop, and we'll use that the virtual server. That server, we're gonna install Windows Server and Active Directory, and I'll show you different stuff in Active Directory, which will be coming in the future. For now, we need to download these two softwares, Proxmox and Rufus. I'll give you all the links in description. Once it's all downloaded, we're gonna run Rufus. Select your pen drive and make sure you don't have any important information in your pen drive because it will be deleted now. Select the ISO and hit start. I have plugged in my USB to this mini PC. I'm gonna use this as server. We have to change some settings before loading the Proxmox here. So make sure secure boot is off and try to boot into UEFI mode. And one more thing I've come across that in your start operation to AHCI, not the red one. Now we can restart. Select the USB. I'm gonna use terminal UI because I'm having some issues capturing video. Yep. So I should do drive. Amazon. Canberra. So the root password. You can use any random email ID because this is a lab environment. I prefer to leave everything same, but you can change it if you want. Install. So after the installation process, it will restart and come to this screen. So just log in with your login root password. That's it. And now we can access it from a local network from anywhere. So now just type in the URL on your browser. Click on advanced. Type in your root ID and password. Now you have your Proxmox installed.